This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. Union Health Ministry said that the dry run for COVID-19 vaccination has been successfully conducted in the 4 states of Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Gujarat. The 2-day end-to-end dry run was undertaken in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh, Rajkot and Gandhinagar in Gujarat, Ludhiana and Shahid Bhagat Singh Nagar in Punjab and Sonitpur and Nalbari districts of Assam. The exercise is aimed at identifying challenges and making required changes in the plan so that the final process becomes foolproof. The ministry said specific teams were formed for various tasks by the district administration and activities like uploading of dummy beneficiaries' data, vaccine allocation, communication vaccination details to vaccinators and beneficiaries, and beneficiary mobilization were carried out. Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry Thawarchand Gehlot has said central government is committed for the welfare of scheduled caste students as it has made a historic change in the scholarship available to students of this community pursuing higher education. Briefing media in New Delhi yesterday, he said the government has approved 59,048 crore rupees post-matric scholarship scheme for over 4 crore SC students for the next 5 years. Mr. Gehlot said the central government will spend 60% of the scholarship amount and the remaining 40% will be spent by the state governments. The centre has invited the protesting farmers' unions for talks to end the impasse over the 3 farms laws. This will be the 6th round of talks between the government and the farmers to end the deadlock. The centre has written to the 40 protesting farmers' unions and invited them for talks. Apart from the farm laws, discussions will be held on minimum support price and on legislations related to air quality and electricity. The government has reiterated that it is committed to finding a logical solution on all relevant issues raised by the farmers with a clear intention and an open mind. Meghalaya reported 8 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, 6 from East Khasi Hills, 1 each from North Garo Hills and West Garo Hills districts. Directorate of Health Services informed that the state also recorded 24 recoveries, bringing the total recovered cases to 13,066. Till date, the state has a total of 13,387 confirmed COVID-19 cases, out of which 13,066 have recovered, 183 are active and 138 deaths. There are 15 containment zones across Meghalaya and the death rate stands at 1.03%. So far, 2,90,360 samples have been tested and 2,76,973 have tested negative. In Manipur, 36 persons, including 2 personnel from Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases during the past 24 hours. Less than 50 cases in a day have been reported in the state in the last few days. 43 persons were discharged in the past 24 hours in the state and the recovery rate has improved to 94.39%. In Assam, former Congress Minister Ajanta Neong and legislator Rajdeep Gola have joined the BJP yesterday. Both the leaders have joined the BJP in Guwahati party office in the presence of state BJP President Ranjit Kumar Das, convener of NIDA Himanta Biswa Sarma, among others. Recently, both the leaders met Union Home Minister and senior BJP leader Amit Shah in Guwahati. Mr. Neong has recently left both Congress and membership from the State Assembly. Assam Rifles will add another feather to its cap on the 4th of January next year when Assam Rifles Public School, Ladkor, Shillong will get converted to a sports school having facilities for training in 3 sports such as athletics, archery and fencing. The school will be known as ARPS Sports Ladkor, having 50 boys and 50 girls students selected by Sports Authority of India who will be coached and trained by the personnel of SAI. This school at Ladkor in Shillong will become the first such school of its kind in the Northeast. Assam Rifles and SAI are signing a memorandum of understanding and all expenditure and academics and training of the students will be sponsored by SAI under the Khelo India scheme of the Government of India. Kiren Rijiju, Union Sports Minister, will inaugurate the ARPS Sports Ladkor, likely to be attended by Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.